Immigration Has Changed the United States of America by Addison Goggin. Push factors. From my mom's side of the family, they immigrated from Austria. They left Austria because of my great-grandfather's work. He worked in the Austrian diplomatic service. They immigrated here on the Queen Elizabeth II. My grandfather says that the journey was fun since he was at such a young age. On my dad's side of the family, they immigrated from Ireland and Wales. They left their country to most likely find a better life. Other second-wave immigrants left their countries because of poverty, persecution, and lack of opportunities. In the map on the bottom right, my mom's side of the family, in pink, immigrated from Austria to Ellis Island, New York. Well, on the other hand, my dad's family came straight to Virginia and eventually went to Kentucky. Pull factors. My dad's side of the family was pulled to the United States because they were most likely looking for new opportunities and a fresh start. My mom's side of the family immigrated because of my great-grandfather's job, and my grandfather decided to stay here since this is where he grew up, and he is now a full U.S. citizen. Much like my dad's side of the family, other immigrants came due to the First Amendment rights, job opportunities, and a fresh start. Challenges. My grandfather had many challenges when he came to the U.S., such as when he was young he couldn't speak English. He was often bullied by other kids, and he did not have many friends. On my dad's side of the family, we're not exactly sure what challenges they faced, but if they were like other immigrants from their time, they could have had unsafe working conditions, discrimination against them, or nativism. My new perspective. My new perspective is that immigration has shaped America. My old perspective on immigration was that immigration only affected a small part of the society. I used to think immigration was an easy process that anyone could go through. My new perspective on immigration is that it was a tough process. Immigration is a very complex process, and not everyone is able to immigrate due to the process being so difficult, and it could take up to years.